This is a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's the LTZ package, so it's loaded out. Beautiful 22-inch TIS wheels with 35-inch Nitto Trail Grappler tires. And of course, it's a Z71 off-road package too. Inside, with it being an LTZ, black leather seats, looking really sharp. Just a beautiful truck overall, you'll see as we go through this. Love the layout on the dash, nice touchscreen. And just 64,000 miles on this 5.3-liter V8 powered pickup truck. There's some of the steering wheel controls. And in the middle, of course, that giant touchscreen. We got Boost FM rocking there. Dual climate control, heated seats. Factory navigation integrated, and of course, a backup camera too. Stepping into the back seat, crew cab truck, lots of room. Flip down armrest in the middle, has some cup holders there for your rear seat occupants. There's a decent amount of storage under that seat too. Out back, some steps there, trailer hitch in the middle, and the 5 3/4 foot bed with the sprayed in bed liners. You're not worried about scratching it up. And check this out. Check out these rock lights. Such good looking. They've got them on the brakes, they've got them up in the wheel wells, and they've got red in the floorboards of the truck. Come check this thing out next level in Hillsboro.